it'll be veered off. I'm going to smash it a little bit harder. All right. Let's do another one. How far are we going? Just going to guess. Don't have to guess. I got a little triangle right there. Draw a line so I can get it on both sides. We're going from the corner to here, and we know where to cut. From the corner. Let's do that. I did not, what did I not do? I did not shorten it, if you know what I'm trying to say. I did not shorten it. If I want one shorter than the other, they're only a 1/4 inch off. If I want one shorter than the other, I got to shorten it before I do that. I know what to do on that one. So I'm going to take a measurement, cut one off. I'm going to cut 2 inches off it. My mistake. No harm, no foul. Cut that off 2 inches. And then we'll do it again, and we'll have one longer than the other. I'll change the zip cut. So we won't have them both looking the same distance. We'll have one longer. Just repeating myself, I guess. Sometimes I repeat to myself because I want to make sure that I understand. Got to grab the shortest one over here and knock 2 inches off it too. That way there I won't forget. And now let's do our cutout.